It's your girl, Curly Hair Beauty Queen, and I'm back again with another video. This is my very first makeup tutorial, and I am so excited. All of you guys who have followed me from my intro video on Sunday, thank you. I have been known forever for just having really dramatic looks. So you guys are gonna see a lot of pop, a lot of glitter, a lot of fun, but this was a requested video, and so I wanted just to do kind of just an everyday relaxed smoky eye that everyone can achieve on the go with even the most basic products. Guys, I will be sure to link down below in the description box all of the different products that I use also to achieve this look. Guys, now for this video, my eyebrows were already done. I already prepped and primed my face and contoured my face, so I got straight down to business with just showing you guys how to do the eyeshadow look. But if you guys would like to see more on my contouring or what I do to achieve my eyebrow look, make sure you guys comment down below. And without further ado, here is my step-by-step of this everyday smoky eye look. Okay guys, so for today's look, I am going to be using a smoky eye palette called Smoked by Urban Decay, and it's a 10 eyeshadow palette. It's really, really nice. Okay, so for some of you guys who didn't know, having a really good eyeshadow base is the trick to having a really good eyeshadow look. So the one that I'm using today is one by Makeup Forever. It's a 5 palette cream camouflage palette. Then I went ahead and applied these shadow guard shields that I got at Sephora. And I use these Be Small brushes that I got online at Amazon that were super cheap. Okay, so to get started with this look, I'm using a Tarte palette. So first thing I'm going to do is use the darker orange color that was on the left-hand side, and I'm just going to get started with putting that in the creases. Don't be afraid to blend. Blending is like your best friend. I think so many people make the mistake of just not blending enough, and then that's why it looks so bland. So just kind of take your brush, you have nothing but time, and just kind of wisp it around. Just kind of spread the love a little bit. Now keep in mind guys, I am still blending. I am still blending the first color. So that says a whole lot about blending and why it's important. It's really gonna set the tone. Guys, now that I have made my first round of blending, I went ahead and just dabbed some more darker orange and just went in the crease again, just to kind of darken it up a little bit and just kind of make it more pop. So give it that pop that it's looking for. So you want to kind of darken that outer V, just put the color there and kind of blend it in, and just kind of shade it around that way. So that way it's not all fixed in one position. So this is kind of a brown, bronzy kind of color, and I'm going to just start by working this in my outer V on top of the second stage of orange that I put, and this is going to actually darken it up, but it's going to just transition those oranges for the darker colors when I start to really start to shade in this area. So I'm just going to take some time and I'm just going to use my blending brush, and I'm just going to start to kind of shade it in and kind of bring it in through my crease and through the bottom and move it around a little bit, so that way it looks really, really, really blended. Guys, don't be sad if it doesn't come out amazing and perfect the first time around. It definitely takes time. Even I see flaws even in this tutorial. So it can happen to anyone. So just kind of take your time and just do your best, really. So I'm kind of just making sure that I'm just going back and then grabbing more of that darky bronze color and just adding more to the crease. The next color I'm going to use is a dark purple color, and then this is just to kind of bring the brownish bronze and the orange better together, and it's also dark too, so it kind of helps it shade and adds that third color. It really, really looks nice on top of that orange especially. Guys, I spend so much time blending. Don't forget to blend. guys, I apologize in advance. I don't know, this clip is so fast, but this is like a silver that I'm gonna dab all over the top of my lid to both of my lids, and it has like a cool little shimmer. Now I'm gonna go in with this dark brown, and I'm just gonna go in and add this on top of that dark purple to really just kind of darken it up a little bit, because again, this is a smoky eye look, so you kind of want to just make it dark in certain areas and then blend it without like looking too dark. So you don't want to do a nighttime look. This is just a good daytime smoky eye look. Guys, like, feel free to make your own judgment. Like, you know if it's too dark for your liking, and if you are like myself where you like really dramatic looks, then don't hold back. Just add more dark in more areas and just remember to blend. So I'm just going to go back in with that dark purple color I was using earlier, and I'm just going to go and do my waterline. So I'm just starting from the outer V, of course, again, bringing it in towards the water duct and just kind of shading it. And again, you may see me several times just kind of look down and then add more purple, and again, this is just like my way of shading. So, I mean, do what you guys are comfortable with. Again, I'm not a professional. This is just something that I love to do. So if you guys want to add more colors, definitely do so. So I went back to my original palette, the Smoky Eye palette that's called Smoke by Urban Decay, and I'm using the darkest black. It's called Blackout, and this is just to darken up that darker V, because, you know, guys, again, we went into like a transitional stage of like the bronzy brown to the purple, and then the dark brown, and then now the black. Okay guys, so this next color is like a tan color, and it's called Kinky. It's also from the Smoky Eye palette called Smoke by Urban Decay. And you're just gonna see me put it underneath my eyebrow bone. It's really just to highlight my under eyebrow bone and just kind of set the tone there, and then kind of separate it and help it blend with that orange that I had put there earlier. So it's always good to have, and it also makes your eyebrows look a little more chic as well. The next color I'm going to use is a blue color, really pretty, by Urban Decay as well. It's also from the same Smoky Eye palette. It's called Evidence. You're just going to see me put it in my tear duct area, start at my lower lash line, and then kind of bring it around from the top of my lid. So that way it kind of blends a little bit better, and then adds that different color effect from the darker shadows that were there. So I just kind of utilize it as an option because there's a little bit of blue in my choker, but you can blend any colors you want. You know, if you want to put red there because I have like red tassels on my choker, or, you know, if you just wanted to kind of leave it plain or maybe add some glitter, you could. So you can definitely switch up this look and add whatever you want. I like to have this kind of cat eye look effect when I do my eyeshadow look, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this Blackest Black eyeliner that I got from Revlon, and I think I got it like CVS or something, but you can go anywhere pretty much and get eyeliner. It doesn't have to be this brush kind of eyeliner. It could be the one that's like a pen, it could be gel liner, whatever you feel comfortable with, but it does make a difference when you're doing an eyeshadow look, so definitely try to use some eyeliner if possible. So because I'm going to be adding on some false lashes later, I'm just going to go ahead and whip out my mascara and start putting some mascara on my eyelashes. So I put them at the top. I also put it at the bottom as well. I use two different brands, but this is just the top for right now. It's an extender that I got as well. It's by, let's see, it's called Lash Accelerator by Rimmel London. So it's really good. I've had it for a while, so you definitely can get some good use out of this. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting some mascara on my bottom lashes. This so happens to be a MAC Extended Play Lash Mascara. It's made for, the stick itself is made for the bottom lashes, so it always helps a whole bunch too, where the brush itself is not too big. But I try to apply good coverage to the bottom lashes that I do have, because again, my lashes are like so thin and small and all that stuff. So I definitely am someone who needs lashes, so it's important.
So these are my lashes, Broadway Eyes Lightweight Reusable, 100% human hair. It's DLS H06 Nuance, and I'm gonna apply them using my black LA Colors Dermatolash Lash Adhesive. Last but not least, I'm gonna apply to my lips the Metal to the Max LA Colors Metallic Lip Gloss. That is life. I got it at the dollar store. I love it. Go get you one.
So thank you for watching my videos. Make sure that you guys are subscribed, and also comment down below if you guys have any questions about the products or the process, or if there's a look that you guys would like to see in the future. Because again, I'm launching 2 videos every week, whether they're tutorials or hauls or hair product reviews. So just let me know what you guys want to see down below.